What the hazard? What the hazard? We wildin' safe, yeah, we wildin' safe.
Hey y'all, thanks for watching. My name is Eddie. I'm with OcuPros, and this is our exciting new series called What the Hazard? The mission behind What the Hazard series is about making safety personal again. To show people that safety isn't just about rules, policies, or paperwork. It's about self-love, self-care, and self-respect. So join me and get in on the conversation. Our goal is to equip companies with the ability to say, I love you, through safety. This will become a movement, not just a series you watch.
When your safety's low and the risk too high, call AcuPros, we don't just try. We train your team and inspect the floor, fixing what's wrong so you're safe for sure.